In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reminders in Notion. Whether you're managing your personal projects or collaborating with a team, reminders can be a crucial tool to help you stay on track and keep your priorities straight. What's great about Notion is that it integrates these reminders seamlessly with your existing notes and database, making them easy to use and incredibly effective. To start setting up reminders in Notion, the first thing you'll want to do is open up any Notion page where you'd like to keep track of your upcoming tasks or events. This could be a personal journal, a team task list, or any workspace you're actively using. Once you have that page open, focus on the spot where you want to insert the reminder. This could be part of a checklist or maybe the main body of a task item where a little nudge is necessary. Now to insert the reminder, simply type the @ symbol directly into the text. As soon as you do this, Notion will bring up a variety of options for you to choose from. To specifically add a reminder, you can go for two routes. Type @remind or just stick with @kid. Both will guide you to the same goal, adding that all-important reminder to your workflow. When you make your selection from the menu, choose the option labeled Reminder. Next, you'll see that Notion provides you with an array of options to specify exactly when you want your reminder to alert you. You can keep it straightforward by selecting today if you need the reminder for the same day or tomorrow for the next. If you're planning a little further into the future, next week makes for effortless scheduling without diving deep into calendar dates. But if your schedule requires more specificity, Notion also allows for a custom date and time. Simply choose this option if you need pinpoint accuracy for your reminders, perhaps for a meeting or a deadline that's just slightly off the beaten path of regular intervals. Tailoring your reminders can be as detailed as you like, so take advantage of this feature to suit your day-to-day needs. Once you've decided on the date and time, all that's left is to press the Enter key. Notion will automatically insert the reminder into your chosen location. Now this reminder becomes a part of your document. It will not just keep you informed, but also serves as a gentle nudge that integrates with Notion's notification system, ensuring you never miss a beat. And that's all there is to it. You now have a quick and efficient way to manage your reminders within Notion, helping you to keep your tasks in check and make the most out of your planning sessions. Give it a try and see how seamlessly reminders can fit into your daily productivity routine. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.